In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and install your front bumper on a Honda CR-V. It's located in front of the vehicle. After you raise and supported the hood, you have a series of 4 clips that you want to remove. I'm going to start over here on the left, right near the left headlamp. You want to pull up on the center of this and pull it out. After you remove those 4 clips, if you look inside your grill in this area, there'll be a yellow clip. You need to pry on that and pull your grill towards you. The lower part of the grill here where it meets your bumper, there are 4 holes in here with little tabs. You have to push up on the tab and pull out on the grill. After you raised and supported your vehicle safely, you have 5 lug nuts. These are 19mm lug nuts. You need to remove those. And do the same thing to the other side. Now it's time to remove your engine splash shield. It's held on by a series of clips. Got one here, starting on the driver's side of the vehicle. Sometimes these clips come out in 2 pieces, like that. Another one beside it, like that. Back to the driver's side, take that one out. Just remember, if you break these, you definitely have to replace them. Take that out. You need to remove these 2 clips. Just pull down, pull out. Pull down, pull out, and do the same thing on the other side. Now you're in the front of the vehicle, underneath your bumper. That. This one's missing. Pull this one, pull that out. We're still on the right-hand side fender liner. You have a fastener here you need to remove. Your fastener might look different. This one is a 2-piece. Remove that. Then we're going to go into here. We're going to remove this fastener. That one comes straight out. Then we're going to take our fender liner, peel it back, and just secure it off to the side. Now we're going to peel back this piece here that's held on by these 2 yellow clips. You want to pull straight out. Get your trim tool in there and pull straight out to your right. Now you peel back your trim piece, you have a Phillips screw here. You want to remove that. Take your front bumper, pull it towards you and out of its clips, and just let it hang like that. And do the same thing to the other side. Right below your headlamp here, there'll be a yellow clip. You need to push that down, pull your bumper towards you. There'll be the same thing on the other side. Now you have your 2 fog lamps, one on each side. Just take your harness, turn it to your left, remove your bulb, and do the same on the other side. Once you have your 2 fog lamp bulbs removed from their holders, just pull the bumper and put it off to the side. At this time, it's a lot easier to remove your fog lamp bulb from your connector and install the fog lamp bulb into your fog lamp. That way, when you're holding the bumper, trying to put the bumper back on the vehicle, all you have to do is just click your connector. You want to push that button down and release. To install your fog lamp bulb into your fog lamp, line up your 3 tabs, install it into the fog lamp assembly, and twist. Now we're ready to install our front bumper. You have 2 yellow clips here and there on your bottom sides of your headlamps. You want to install those there and there. Slide your bumper up. There. There. And just give it a push. Now we're on the right side of the vehicle, right below the headlamp. You're going to see a lip here. This piece gets installed inside that lip. Right here on the top of the fender, where it meets your bumper, there's a lip also. You want to get that inside that lip. Just give it a push. And that gets held on by one Phillips screw. Tighten that screw and do the same thing on the other side. Now it's time to install our right fog lamp connector. Here's our fog lamp. This is our connector. Wait for the click. Make sure it's secure. Now we're on the left-hand side. We need to install our connector for our fog lamp. Wait for the click. After our fog lamp connector is secure, you want to remove your safety clip, install your inner fender well. You can start off by installing the clip here first. Now you can take your trim panel here, push it into its holders, make sure that's snapped in, and install your two clips here and there. And do the same thing to the other side. All right, we're getting ready to install our splash shield. We're on the driver's side of the vehicle. These two holes, you want to tuck inside these two here. Take your two pins and push them through the hole. These grooves here go into these holes. Just like that. You can install your clips now, just to give you a hand with holding it. We'll start with this one instead. Push your clip in. Same thing over here. That in. Push your clip in. I'd like to move to the back of it. That way you don't have to keep holding it up. You can put one of your clips into the back here. Hold that. Then it's going to hold your shield up. Now you can go around to all your other clips and install them. Underneath, on the driver's side. Now we're on the driver's side. Tuck that up underneath this other splash shield. Put your clips back in. Now we're on the driver's side. Last one just underneath. Take your tire, slide it over your lug nut studs, put your 5 lug nuts on. Snug those up. After you load your vehicle and your tire is on the ground, you want to torque these lug nuts at 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Before you install your front grille, you'll notice that there's some yellow clips here. Those get installed in here on your grille. Just line those clips up with the holes. Push straight forward. Once you have your grille clipped in, you have your fasteners that go on the top, here on the left, and one on the right.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.